I feel it's important that foundations in our time exist because they can do things for the neighborhood or for a quarter of a city differently than the government can. They're the act of generosity on the part of the founders of the foundation. So I support that, and I hope someday that maybe I'll have a small foundation to help young artists. But I think it's a very generous thing to do, important for the community, and I mean, it's an embrace for me, really, to be in this foundation space right now and show this work that relates to the southern part of Spain. This is the first time I've had an exhibition in a space like this. I show in museums that are boxes and in galleries and other strange places, castles. This energy and openness, where I could see 100 works in one glance around, all here right now. You don't know how exciting that is and how satisfying that is for an artist to be surrounded like that with the work.